Dory Sukup here, founder of Inspiration Management, and I am here with the question of the week. This week's question came to us from Nancy from Colorado. Nancy was saying, I purchased your W.E.D.A.R.E system and absolutely love it. Thank you. We appreciate that. But I am having a difficult time convincing my team to actually do the online consultations. Do you have some tips on how to encourage them and convince them to actually do it? That is a very good question, Nancy. Thank you so much for actually asking it. Yeah, this is a challenge sometimes when you, as a leader, you have a program that you want your team to implement, and yet they don't buy in on why you want them to do this. So it really all goes back to that. It's how you present the program to them and how you show them their benefit, the good old what's in it for me. So if you stress that point and teach them why it's important to do online consultations and how that can help, especially now, keep some income coming for them. I can't imagine somebody not wanting to do it. As a matter of fact, out of all of our mastermind members, we set up individual meetings for their teams where we actually showed them why it's important to do the W.E.D.A.R.E system as part of the team and how it can impact their life. So if you take them through the mindset, the importance of how they need to be helping their clients right now, because truly they need your help. They don't know what to do. So if we take that angle and we teach our team how they are essential, that what they do makes a difference, and if you show them how much revenue, how much income they're going to be able to make for themselves, I can't imagine somebody not wanting to do this. And frankly, if they don't, they may not be the right team for you. So that's a good indication. You want people that are driven. You want people that are gonna want to do things, to get out of the comfort zone, right? You have to step out to be able to reach greatness. And that's a process that you have to go through with your team. Get talking about their thoughts and why it's important to do this, gain their buy-in, and then they're gonna want to do the W.E.D.A.R.E system with their clients. You really need to share with them some success stories. I have so many clients that their teams are reaching great success with the W.E.D.A.R.E system, and they actually love doing it. And not only are they doing the W.E.D.A.R.E, but they're also doing webinars, which is really amazing. And they're literally generating thousands and thousands of dollars. As a matter of fact, the big joke in our mastermind group is, oh, we're paying so much money for shipping. Here they are. They're selling so much that they're complaining about the shipping fees. Now, let's hope we all have those problems, right? But anyway, Nancy, I hope that you can convince your team to start doing the W.E.D.A.R.E system. And again, if you can't, you might want to reserve a webinar where we can actually explain it to them. We can do a private webinar for you. As a matter of fact, you can go into the shop, Inspiration Management shop, and you can reserve one from there, and we can get online with you and your team and explain to them why it's so important to do this and how they can impact their clients' lives right now and truly help them. So thank you so much for your question. We are here to help you, so please reach out. If you too have a question, you can always send it in and we can answer it for you. Mail it to Dory at inspirationmanagement.com. Until next time, stay inspired.